Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our dialogue class. Unit 3, It's My Day. Look at page number 18. Warm up 1. What do you think the children in the picture are celebrating? How do you think they are feeling? They are feeling happy. Listen to the audio.
Unit 3 Listening. A. You are going to listen to Vinita talk about her cousin's wedding. As you listen to her, tick the correct answers in your book. Before you listen, read the questions.
My cousin Saroj got married last week. Her wedding took place in my hometown. My whole family, my aunts, uncles, cousins, and even my grandparents came for the wedding. Saroj wore a yellow silk sari for her wedding. She looked so pretty. Her mother, my mother, and many others helped her to dress up. It took a long time for her to get ready. She didn't have much jewelry, but wore lots of flowers in her hair. Grandma gave her a gold bangle, which she had bought a long time ago. We then took Saroj to the marriage hall, where her husband, Amrit, and his family were waiting. The car Saroj traveled in was decorated with pink and white flowers. The marriage hall was very special for the family because my grandparents were married in the same hall many years ago. After all the wedding ceremonies were over, everyone congratulated and blessed Saroj and her husband. Then we sat down to a good meal. It was a really joyful occasion. All of us were eating and chatting together. For the first time, the whole family was together.
After listening the audio, you should tick the correct answer. First one, Saroj's wedding was a week ago. Second one, the wedding took place in Vinita's hometown. Third one, Saroj wore lots of flowers. Look at next page. Grandmother had bought the bangle many years ago. Fifth one, Saroj's car was decorated with pink and white flowers. The hall was special because Saroj's grandparents were married there. Seventh one, the people who came for the wedding were relatives. B. Take the correct answer. The wedding was very special for Vinita because she met all her relatives. Now listen to the audio. Listen and read aloud.
Unit 3 Listen and read aloud. Listen to this conversation among 3 friends. Then read it aloud with your friends.
Hi Ritu.
Hello, Amit. Meet my friend Sophia. She's from Spain.
Oh, hello Sophia. How are you?
Hi, Amit. I'm fine, thank you. I'm very excited to be here.
Guess what? Sophia'll be here during Holi.
That'll be amazing. All of us can play together at my house.
What is Holi?
Oh, Holi is the festival of colors. We had so much fun last year. We smeared color on each other's faces and splashed colored water on each other's clothes. We also ate a lot of sweets.
Yes, it is my favorite festival. Please do join us, Sophia. I am sure you'll enjoy it too.
Wow, that sounds really nice. In Spain, we celebrate a similar festival. It is called the Tomatina Festival. But instead of colors, we play with tomatoes.
What? Tomatoes?
Yes, we play it with crushed tomatoes every year.
Then I am sure you will enjoy playing Holi with us this year.
Let us go and buy some colors from the market.
Yes, let's go. I am very excited to celebrate Holi with you.
Now look at page number 21. Listen and tell. Listen to the audio.
Unit 3. Listen and tell. Listen to how Pratik celebrated Bihu with his uncle and aunt. Then talk about how you and your family celebrated your favorite festival last year.
Bihu is the Assamese New Year. It is celebrated over several days. This year, I celebrated it in Guwahati with Uncle Pramod and Aunt Ratna. On the first day, we woke up very early to watch how people decorated their cattle. They bathed their cows and bulls and decorated them with flowers and garlands. The next day, we all wore new clothes and visited each other's houses. People wished each other and exchanged sweets. I couldn't stop eating the tasty laru and pitha, the traditional Assamese sweets. People also exchanged cotton towels as gifts. My aunt told me that this was a Bihu tradition. On the third day of my visit, we all went to a nearby park and watched some lovely performances of Bihu songs and dances. During one of the songs, Uncle Pramod exclaimed, "Ah, that is my favorite Bihu song, Pratik." Old Bihu songs are wonderful to listen to, you know. They have been passed on from one generation to the next. My favorite part of the evening was watching the Bihu dance performance. It was performed by both men and women. It was so much fun to watch. I loved the brisk steps and hand movements. Aunt Ratna pushed me to join in. I was shy at first, but soon began to enjoy myself. I listened to the music and tried to keep up with the steps. Everyone clapped when the dance ended. It remains one of my happiest memories.
After listening the two audios, you should write a short note on how you and your family celebrated your favorite festival in your rough book. Look at page number 20. Get it right and listen to the audio.
Unit 3. Get it right. A. Listen to these words. Looked. Helped. The sound you heard for the highlighted parts is T. Now listen to these words. Closed. Moved. Did you hear the D sound? Listen to these words carefully. Tap on the table when you hear the D sound and clap your hands when you hear T. Washed. Used. Enjoyed. Jumped. Covered. Watched. Followed. fixed, talked. Listen to the words again and repeat them. Washed, used, enjoyed, jumped, covered, watched, followed, fixed, talked.
Look at page number 20. Get it right B and listen to the audio.
Unit 3. Get it right. B. Ruhi watched a clown perform last week. Listen to her carefully and circle the correct words in your book.
Last week, Adil invited us all to his birthday party. We had a lot of fun. The best part of the evening was the clown who performed for us. The clown was dressed in bright and colorful clothes. His face was painted in red and white colors. He told us many jokes. We all laughed so much. He asked Adil what his favorite animal was. Adil said, giraffe. The clown asked Adil to close his eyes and count to 10. When he opened his eyes, the clown had made a balloon giraffe for him. Adil was very happy. Then the clown jumped and danced. We all clapped and laughed. Then we all danced together.
Now look at page number 21. Language help. Talking about past events, we should use was or were plus V1 ing or had or ed form of the verb. We should mention the time by last week, last month, last year, etc. Asking questions about special occasions, we should begin with what happened in, how did it, what was it like, is it true that, did you really, etc. Listen to the audio, listen, read and recite in page number 20.
Unit 3. Listen, read and recite. Listen to the poem My Birthday. Then read and recite it with suitable expression.
My birthday this year is on Monday. Last year it was on Sunday. It doesn't matter anyway. I was born on Saturday. It's odd how birthdays don't just stay. They hop around from day to day.
Look at page number 21, warm up 2. Work in pairs. It is your birthday party. Which of the following are likely to be at the party? Discuss with your partner and add any 2 things to the list on your own. The things of list are given below. You should add 2 things other than these in your textbook. Now look at page number 22, speaking. Dileep's family held a surprise party for his grandmother's 90th birthday. The day after the party, Dileep visited his cousin Bani in the hospital and told her about the party. Work in pairs and role play the situation. Use the clues in this box to help you. Role play is now not possible, so you should write a paragraph about how you celebrate your grandma's birthday in your rough book. Now look at more practice. You and your friend Arjun tell each other about the first time you acted in a play. Work in pairs and role play the conversation. Use the clues in the cards below. You should write a conversation between you and your friend using the clues given below in your rough book. Now, look at page number 23. Your teacher has asked all of you to speak to the class about your most special day. Before speaking to the class, practice with your partner. Choose a topic each from these two options and take turns to speak. Two options are given there. Two topics are given there. First topic, my special day is the day I adopted my pet. Second one, my special day is the day when I won the first prize in the singing competition. These are two topics given here. You should write about any one of these topic in your rough book. Write a paragraph about your most special day. Write any one of the topic from this and write it in your rough book. So dear children, that's the end of today's class. Thank you everyone. See you.